So beautiful weather. Was going to fly the birds, but priorities. Got to spray them up first. So we're going to spray all these guys up. One by one. Put one by one outside. Let them chill, let them rest, relax, and then we'll fly them tomorrow. Important thing is younger birds to be healthy. Definitely being mite free is on top of the list. So how do you spray do you use a bucket and dip it? Do you spray? Do you use powder, something else? I use the spray. I do the wings, under the wings, the neck, the tail, the feet, the body. Spray here and there. I'm sure they don't like it, but it's got to be done. It's always nice to see, same time, how the birds are. Are they healthy? If they're molting, are they molting okay? So first thing I'll do is I'll take this water out of here. So the water's gone. And nice amount. Wings are done. The feet, the tail, around the neck, the belly, and that's one down. This bird is molting. It's missing a couple of wing feathers. Can feel like it's got a couple starting to grow. Very nice classic look. And again, I just overspray. This one definitely needs it. Do you spray the loft after as well? Which is what we're going to do as well. Neckline. Another one done. I really like the look of this one. I don't understand about how you can tell a flying bird from the eyes. I wouldn't even know. This one's pretty good. There we go. So this one, very young one, I had to swap it. Wasn't getting fed well, and it actually survived. But hence why it really needs to molt, which is starting to happen right there. It needs to grow stronger wings, needs to grow. You can tell by the coloration of the tail that it hasn't really grown up the way it's supposed to. But in a month or two, it will probably look better. Glad it survived. And the little feisty does fly around. Little feisty 12-year-old hens, silver settle. Does not want to see. That's gonna be for breeding. So we're gonna do that one. Would be nice to have a cage as just saddles. So this is one that I've forgotten in here when I had all the breeder hens out. Official breeder young bird, coming up really nice. Beautiful black colour. Nice boldy look. Healthy bird. And then we got this crazy one. He really doesn't want to stay. Look at the wingspan on this one. Alright, let's get him done quick. There he is, big fella, massive wingspan. Now if I had 10 of these, that's all I need for flying. That'd be crazy. Yeah. Massive tail. I always do around the neck of the neck. This bird's got your classic look. Look at that. Nice small to medium size. Beautiful bird. So these blues are from the silver hen, whose father is big massive blue red bars, the OG, and a father of this bird is a whitebeard bluebird. The mother of him was the 7/8 highflyer black pipe, and the father was a all blue or very light blue, white wings, just a touch of white beard underneath the beak. The pearlest eyes I've ever seen on a highflyer. And I know because of that pearly-eyed one and that blackbird, definitely got some good stuff in here, plus the blue red bars. Hence why the wings are long and very thick already, like very strong wings. But yeah, that's the younger of the two blues. It's made two, and they've also got one which is a baldy pie, whatever you want to call it. So that pied is off that same line of those blues. Again, thick wings. Sounds pretty clean. So we're going to spray them one more time, probably in a couple of weeks, and then they're good to go for about 2-3 months. And I'll be spraying the loft once a week while they're out, feeding there. And that should be right. There's the nice straight red. Already got a couple of feathers missing, so there's already one starting to grow. Got a couple of tail feathers.